Sherice. If you are new, welcome. Join the fam. If you are not, hey boo, how you doing? I just wanted to show you guys how to brain for it. So today's video, I just want to show you how I install this 4x4 closure wig. Isn't it bomb? Isn't it giving you scalp? I know, like it's not a frontal. I am very much tired of frontals, so this wig fell in my lap perfectly. And when I mean it fell in my lap perfectly, like I stole it. Yeah, so for my cousin, so I didn't pay for this wig. This is her wig. I don't know the specs, but it's going to be on the screen, and it's going to be in the description box below, and you gotta worry. But all I know that this wig is 18 inches and it's a 4x4, and it's a bomb. Like I seen this wig and I was like, I'm gonna put it on my head because it is nice. Like I'm so over frontals. I don't think y'all gonna understand. If y'all over frontals, just watch this tutorial so you can see how I installed this, and it's giving you like a frontal vibes. You know what I mean? Did a pretty good job. Like if the wind blow back, nobody could clock me unless you in my grill. So this is a plus. This wig is really nice. It's straightened really good. It's not a review, but I like this wig, and I just want to show you guys how I installed it. So like I said before, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, this is my first ever tutorial, hair tutorial I mean, so relax. Please don't kill me. Like, I'm not a professional. I'm just going to show you guys how I install my wigs. But other than that, I don't want to talk too long, so enjoy. So what I did to prep, basically I sprayed my hair, sprayed my fat ass forehead with Got To Be, because when I put the glue on my head, on my forehead, without doing that I break out. Well, not really bow hold, but ghost bond I definitely break out. I think I'm allergic to it, but I do it for precautions and security. And also underneath this is just braided back braids that look really bad, and I have two wig caps, as you can see. 1, 2. So this, it came with 2 clips right here and the comb right here. I removed the combs because my edges like need them, like it's gonna hurt. And elastic bands or whatever you want to call it. So all I gotta do, this can be a glueless wig, but for safety reasons, I decided to glue it down. And I'm also going to leave some of my edges out, because even though the way how the wig is constructed, it's not bad, but look, it's right there. I'm pulling my edges out. I'm just putting it down because I want it to be low on my, not low on my forehead, but not right here. So I'm just gonna put 2, actually I'll put 3 layers of bow hold active. I don't have any in here, so like hopefully come out. Ooh. I'm just gonna put some where I sprayed the Got To Be. I want to do a thin layer, wait till it dries. take your wig, pull it on the glue like that. I don't like to use a comb. Brush it.
Before a show at the Rock in Central Tucson last night. Authorities say Lil Peep could have possibly overdosed.
The street shit will escalate to a point where you're not going to Florida.
So the hair is straightened, and this, I put no product in it. The only product that I put in it is the mousse. This is how it looks. I'm gonna add some powder right here so it don't look too crazy. I'm gonna use this palette. So you could leave it like this, which is not bad, giving you scalp. But I want to do my edges. So I'm gonna put some, a little bit like that. And I'm just gonna play with it because I do have some baby hairs that I cut.
Keep away from his little ass. They're gonna hurt him. That's what they're gonna do.
The Fairfax District, hundreds of people taking over Melrose Avenue tonight, shutting it down so they can hold a memorial service for a rapper shot dead.
A 21-year-old was found dead on his tour bus before a show at the Rock in Central Tucson last night. Authorities say Lil Peep could have possibly overdosed.
this is the final look. And as you can see, this is how I did the baby hair. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me how you feel. Like, comment, subscribe like always, and thank you guys for watching.